Rewrite the following sentences using so that. 1. It is never too late to mend.
Answer is. It is never so late that one cannot mend.
2. He is too proud to beg.
Answer is. He is so proud that he cannot beg.
3. My heart is too full for words.
Answer is. My heart is so full that words cannot express it.
4. He was too late to hear the first speech.
Answer is. He was so late that he could not hear the first speech.
5. He is too ignorant for a postman.
Answer is. He is so ignorant that he could not be a postman.
6. The boy was too old for whipping.
Answer is. The boy was so old that he could not be whipped.
7. This tree is too high for me to climb.
Answer is. This tree is so high that I cannot climb it.
8. He speaks too fast to be understood.
Answer is. He speaks so fast that he cannot be understood.
9. He is far too stupid for such a difficult post.
Answer is. He is far too stupid that he cannot handle such a difficult post.
10. She was sobbing too deeply to make any answer.
Answer is. She was sobbing so deeply that she could not make any answer.
11. This fact is too evident to require proof.
Answer is. This fact is so evident that it does not require proof.
12. The work is too much for any man to do single-handed.
Answer is. The work is so much that no man can do it single-handedly.
13. That shirt is too small for me.
Answer is. That shirt is so small that it does not fit me.
14. The bag was too heavy for me to carry.
Answer is. The bag was so heavy that I could not carry it.
15. She is too young to marry.
Answer is. She is so young that she cannot marry.
16. The thief was too clever to be caught by the king's men.
Answer is. The thief was so clever that he could not be caught by the king's men.
17. I was too frightened to speak.
Answer is. I was so frightened that I could not speak.
18. She is too proud to beg.
Answer is. She is so proud that she cannot beg.
19. Portia was too intelligent to be defeated.
Answer is. Portia was so intelligent that she could not be defeated.
20. He was too weak to get out of bed.
Answer is. He was so weak that he could not get out of bed.
21. He was too late to catch the train.
Answer is. He was so late that he could not catch the train.
22. He is too shy to deliver a public speech.
Answer is. He is so shy that he cannot deliver a public speech.
23. He is too arrogant to admit his mistakes.
Answer is. He is so arrogant that he cannot admit his mistakes.
24. The mango is too cheap to buy.
Answer is. The mango is so cheap that it cannot be bought.
25. She is too beautiful to look.
Answer is. She is so beautiful that one cannot look at her.
26. The king was too cruel to forgive anything.
Answer is. The king was so cruel that he could not forgive anything.
27. This cupboard is too heavy for me to move it.
Answer is. This cupboard is so heavy that I cannot move it.
28. He is too weak to walk.
Answer is. He is so weak that he cannot walk.
29. The news is too good to be true.
Answer is. The news is so good that it cannot be true.
30. He drove too fast for the police to catch.
Answer is. He drove so fast that the police could not catch him.
For more such videos, please like and subscribe my channel.
Thank you for watching my video.